Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to increase indent in Microsoft Word. So open your Word document and click on this layout tab, and here is the option paragraph. So here you will see indent left and right. So select as your requirement and your choice, like you want to increase. So default is 0. You can increase here like this. You can see here this is the indent space. If you try to write here, so you are not able because you set the indent this size. Every paragraph has different indent. Like here, just click on that paragraph and increase indent if you need. This is the right one. Similarly, you can increase in left one and right one. That's it. If you want to remove, so just you have to make here 0. Remove this indent and like this. So thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel.